Welcome to this week's episode of Studio 209. Hey, what's going on everybody? Eddie Ruiz here. This week we're bringing you a Hey Bartender segment. I'm sure you've heard of a White Russian, especially if you're a Big Lebowski fan. Well, we're going to teach you how to make a Nutty Russian. And if you're curious about what that is, let's check it out right now.
Welcome to Galleto. This is Sandra, your bartender. I was going to make a different version of a White Russian. It's called a Nutty Russian. So we'll just start making the cocktail. It's really easy. You build it in the glass. You start it like a traditional White Russian. Start with vodka, 1 ounce of New Amsterdam vodka, 1 ounce of Kahlua. Then you'll top it off with some heavy cream that I whipped ahead of time so it gets a nice thick consistency. Like I said, it's almost like a dessert in a glass. Give it a twist. We'll top it off with some bourbon and a little bit of amaretto. So that gives it that nutty flavor, and the bourbon will give it that warmth. And we just finish it off with a little bit of cinnamon with a little spice to it. And you'll garnish it with a cinnamon stick, and that'll be your Nutty Russian for the holidays, for the new year, just for the colder days. Enjoy! It's for anybody who likes something a little bit sweeter, but still with a nice kick to it.
Man, that drink looks delicious. If you're curious about that drink, if you want to try it out in person, go to Galleto Ristorante in Modesto. Also, you can check out this episode and all episodes again right here at Studio209.tv. Check us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and subscribe exclusively to the Turlock Journal YouTube channel. It's the last week of February, which means it's going to be the last episode of Studio 209 in this format and on this channel. So don't forget to subscribe to our new channel, Studio 209, which you can click on the box right there. So for everybody here at Studio 209 and the entire 209 family, I'm Eddie Ruiz. See you next week.